Hi, my name is Elisabeth Rochat de la Vallée. I am a French woman, and I am not exactly a practitioner. I practice a little bit acupuncture and moxibustian, but my main job is to read and to understand the ancient Chinese texts, especially those of medicine, and to try to translate them and to present and explain them to those who are interested in the Chinese approach of life, generally speaking, or in the medical approach. How do they see disorder, disease, treatment? How do we do a diagnosis, and so on? And so I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the Integrative Fertility Symposium in Vancouver in April 2020.